Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome to our channel.
It's me and Mama here.
So today we're gonna show you on how to make homemade siomai wrapper. So for this recipe, we will be needing only 3 ingredients. Those are the 2.5 cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of salt, and of course we will be needing a water, which is 3/4 cup of water. So and we will be needing a 1 mixing bowl. Okay, so now please keep on watching.
Please.
So now we have to put our all-purpose flour in.
Is this finished?
Yes, everything. So we have to put it here.
Everything in single one.
Yes.
Now we need to stir.
And then we have to put half teaspoon of salt and stir.
And then it gets salty.
So now you have to mix well combined. Then we can put our water. And now we can put our water in. Just put it gradually, not to dump.
Not to dump everything.
So just mix it well. And then
More
we
water.
can more water.
In case it gets
And
sticky.
then mix well. So now in this stage, we have to use our hand
Sorry, Mama.
to give a good mix. We have to knead the dough. We have to knead it. Isabella's doing it now. She is kneading the dough. You're doing good, love. You're so strong. See, look at you. So this is okay now. So done. So we have yes. So we have to sit aside this for 20 minutes.
20 minutes. But
So now let's check our dough. See, very nice. So now what we'll do with this, we'll have to make balls. So now we have to cut it. And now we put it back in a bowl. Now again, we have to sit aside again for another 30 minutes. Sorry, let's check. It's been sitting for 35 minutes or 30 to 35 minutes. Now we have to start rolling the dough. So now this is okay. So now we have to dust our counter so it doesn't stick. So I'm using corn flour for dusting because I'm using corn flour for dusting because this is actually, I have gluten-free corn flour. So we just have to do this. My counter is clean. I've cleaned it before I'm doing the rolling here. So we just have to roll this into a thin thickness. Just keep rolling. So this is okay. As you can see, it is thin. So this is perfect. So now, what we'll do next is we have to get something which is circle. I have this. So we just have to make a circle one. So this is how you do.
This is how we do.
And, see, as you can see, this is now my siomai wrapper.
And here's Isabella.
And Isabella's here.
Press harder. You can run slow cook.
Yes.
See, you remember this? Tasty.
See, as you can see, it's round.
Round.
So guys, I've done my siomai wrapper, but I'm telling you, it takes a lot of time and energy. So make sure you have someone to help you out, because me, I'm sweating here even if the AC is on. So this is a lot of hard work. So anyway, I'm done. So I hope you have learned something from me today on how to make a homemade siomai wrapper. So I'll see you on my next one, guys. Bye!